right now is it's got a set of Evolve high flow cats. That's it. Again. Your sound decibels. Again. Right at 95. Again. Oh, when he do it again. So it hit 102 earlier. Okay. So we'll let you guys hear it after we do the muffler delete on it. 2013 BMW M5. He brought us an M6 2 weeks ago, and now he brought us an M5. What we got done on this beautiful beast, we'll let you guys hear it before. So it's got the Evolve high flow cats up there on each side, right beside the motor. Then 3-inch pipe, 2 factory resonators right there, factory X pipe right there. Then continues 3-inch pipe over and out, all over this contraption all the way around. And then we added 3-inch pipe instead of the 2 mufflers there and right there. And he brought his own tips, and we put them on, quad tips out the back. There'll be a link for the tips in the description. There's the 2 stock mufflers that were on it that we cut off. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. 2020 BMW M5, as you guys can see, carbon fiber front. I like it. Clean. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. So we showed you what it looked like before with the cats on each side. Now we deleted the mid resonator right there. Replace it with 3-inch pipe. Continues out the back. Stock muffler stays the same. And then it had a little crack right here. We welded it up for him too. But there it is. Nice and clean M5. All right, with the resonator delete. There's the resonator that was on it that we cut off right there. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. He's going to put it in his sport mode for us, guys, so you can get a better sound out of it. It's got that barbell now. Yeah, that's so much better, dude. Here's sound decibels. Again. Yeah, 114. This sounds so mean. Beautiful. Go ahead and back it up. BMW M5 muffler delete. Evolve high flow cats. Kept the resonators. M3 next. I think the M3 is your This sounds so much better. Look. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. So here we go. 2020 BMW M5 with a resonator delete. Already a big difference. That's with valves closed. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Go ahead and open it up. He's going to open it up real quick. Go ahead. It's open now. That's with Sport Plus. Wow. Yeah, that's it. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Again? 111. Heck yeah. 113. Go ahead and back it up. He's got a lot to do to it. He's going to change it all up. He's a custom fabricator, so. Go ahead. That sounds so good. That sounds phenomenal. That little resonator, how much of a difference it made. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. M5 right there. See it? Twin turbo. Speed demon. Pushing about 560. He's gonna do a tune now. He'll be pushing over 6 when he's done with it. Give us a good launch. Let's see. What was that? BMW M5 with a Res delete. It's got valves, so straight pipe basically. That sucker flies. That sucker flies, man. I love it. Enjoy, guys. Guys, this is the first Charger Hellcat that you guys are gonna see with the special tips we just installed. There's the Hellcat right there. Let me show you guys. Custom wheels or stock wheels. They still look good. But we did quad tips out the back. Check it out, guys. It looks fantastic. I said I wanted to show you guys all the way from Virginia. Now it sounds badass too. It's got just a mid-muffler delete on it. Only at Exhaust Addicts in Nashville, Tennessee. Let's see if this thing will rip like it's supposed to. Hopefully it'll rip it. Do it out. Woo-hoo-hoo! Beast mode! That's a sick car there. They never disappoint, guys. Ever. I love it. Only at Exhaust Addicts, guys. Enjoy.